Hi, it's been a minute. I'm sitting on my toilet, absolutely squished between my window and my sink because this is the best lighting. Hello! My face is actually quite pink from receiving just seconds of sunlight today, which is a good thing. It's finally sunny. The snow on the ground in my last winter vlogs has vanished. It's been gone for quite some time now. Here comes the train. That hasn't changed. My battery's about to die, so let me change it and I'll come right back. Hello, I'm back with slightly drier hair and a different backdrop. Recent changes include, where to start? Somewhere around my birthday, which is March 5th. I think it was actually on my birthday, interestingly enough. I decided we're gonna switch it up. I need some direction, I need some artistic fulfillment, and I decided to return to a passion that has always been there for me, and I just really came up with endless excuses for why I couldn't do it, and that is acting. I actually went to school in Orange County and for a brief time thought about moving to LA after I graduated with a bunch of girls, getting a house, but that fell through and I just kind of ended up giving up on the whole thing. But I've always loved acting, so now a few years down the road, I'm deciding, fuck it, I'm gonna go for it. Last time I was involved in things acting related was really in college. I was in an improv group for 3 years, and that was a blast. And I have secured my first role in a short film. It's gonna be really fun. I can't say anything about it because I signed an NDA, but it looks like a really fun project, and I've spoken with the director, writer on the phone, and he seems just like a really great guy. And I wanted to start vlogging this now because tonight we are having, I've had the script for a couple weeks, and tonight it's really just 2 actresses in this short film. So myself, the other actress, and the writer director will be doing a Zoom call and sort of what I believe is referred to as a table read. I'm new on the lingo, but I think that's the one. Rehearsal kind of sorts. But I'm super stoked. That'll be my first IMDb credit. It'll be my first time working on a set with a crew, and it's gonna be really fun. I just already know. If anything, I'm too excited and I'm worried about how I'm gonna sleep the night before. So I'm gonna start watching like YouTube videos on techniques for falling asleep because I'm just gonna be so excited more than anything. It'll be like Christmas morning. Hi, we're back. I did some makeup, just my basic makeup, and I'm still wearing my fish nightie. Is that not acceptable to wear to a table read? I'm thinking about just changing into like a black shirt. I probably should, right? This is a horror film, I can say that. Oh, and I put a bra on for this. This just shows you how special it is. I put on a bra and I did my eyebrows. Okay, yeah. She's ready for her table read. Is she an actress? Oh my. Oh, does she act? She does. I mean, black turtleneck. Come on, right? It's classic. I only have one of these and I've been meaning to buy more because it goes with everything. But I actually have 50 minutes until my table read. So in the meantime, I was actually gonna research other casting websites where I can find auditions. And it's gonna be a matter of dropping another 100 or so to have access to those auditions, of which I know there's gonna be a lot of overlap between the ones I already see on Backstage. I also have to weigh whether it's worth getting another one because I'm in Chicago right now and some of these casting websites are best used in LA. Like there's the most opportunities there. So yeah, I think that'll be my first Google search. Best casting websites to use in Chicago. And then I'm just gonna scope it out a little bit while I wait. And then the table read will start shortly.
Every place in the Midwest is better in summer.
Yeah, sure. Tamara, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Woo, 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 woo.
All right. Well, I don't want to take up too much of your Saturday night. All your party plans.
None, zero.
No, I literally like so tucked in. I'm like,
Hi, it's me, and I have acting updates. Check it out. So I just finished an interview over Zoom. I put on my only interview shirt, this black turtleneck. Here comes the train. She will not let me be in the spotlight. Carrying on. So I just secured the bag and a role, and not really a role, but a gig, for something that's really fun. I still don't know if it's actually going to be filmed, but it is a live cooking challenge like Iron Chef or Great British Bake Off, that kind of thing. Except it's for the employees of a tech company. Here she comes again, I swear. As I was saying. So they need like a presenter slash interviewer slash host that goes around to each of the tables and goes, hey, what are we cooking up over here? Oh, wow. And they want it to be kind of like kooky, lighthearted, and, crack jokes and stuff. So that's me. I got the job. So that's awesome. And they're paying me just like a chunk of cash for the event because it's just a one-time thing. But that's pretty fun. I found this through Backstage. So it goes to show that there's opportunities on there that aren't even necessarily acting opportunities, but you can still find some cool stuff. There's just such a range. So, I only pick the ones that seem interesting to me, but it's exciting. It's here in Chicago. It's next week, so woo woo. Additionally, I'm shooting, well, I shouldn't say I'm shooting, but I will be I will be featured in my first short film this Sunday. I'm so excited. I just, deep breaths, deep breaths. And I am actually gonna run lines with my co-star for a little bit over Zoom. But yeah, I'm so excited. Yesterday I met with my director for the first time, and he's such a cool, grounded, awesome guy. So that was really fun. It's just so cool to make connections in the industry, in the biz. Yeah, I'm really enjoying that. So those are my acting updates. Yeah, okay, talk later, bye.